Hello everyone! It's a calm and peaceful evening here at our place in Mabini, Batangas. So as you can see, kita natin yung dagat. Kalmado na siya kasi tapos na ang bagyo. Diba? Nagpapahangin lang ako dito sa labas bago matulog. And it happened na maganda yung langit ngayon. May mga stars tayong nakikita kaya naisipan kong mag-video. So the bright object that we see here is actually not a star. O, diba? So nakikita natin yan, yung bright object na yan sa east part of the sky, eastern part. That is actually the planet Jupiter. O, diba? So you're staring at Jupiter. Sir, paano mo nalaman na Jupiter yan? Wala namang label. Hindi naman natin kailangan ng label. Of course, we all need this familiarity. Okay? So gaano ba kalayo ang Jupiter sa Earth? The light that we see from Jupiter arrives in about 40 minutes on the average. So 40 minutes yung tinatravel ng light bago makarating yung liwanag ng Jupiter dito sa Earth. So at this very moment, yung nakikita nating liwanag is its light approximately 40 minutes ago pa. Ganun po yun. Because light travels in space. Even though it's very very fast, 300,000 kilometers per second. Imagine yung ganun kabilis. It takes light approximately 40 minutes mula Jupiter papunta dito sa atin. Average yun, no? But of course, the distance from Earth to Jupiter varies. Of course, lumalayo yung orbit niya minsan, lumalapit. So at its closest approach, around 33 minutes yan. Yung farthest naman niya na distance around 52 minutes. So on the average, we have 40 minutes. Okay? Ayan. So much about Jupiter. Ngayon lipat tayo dito. Ito yung gusto ko talagang i-share sa inyo. Nakikita natin dito, yan, this one. Yan ang constellation ng Orion. Okay? So, ang palatandaan ng Orion ay yung kanyang tatlong belt, yung tatlong star. These three stars serve as Orion's belt. Ayan. Okay, tapos yung apat na parang corners ng isang rectangle, yung dalawa doon, part ng shoulders, at yung dalawa, part ng legs. So itong, yan, yung nasa right side ng screen, yan yung ating legs. Yung brighter one, that's called Rigel. It's a blue supergiant star. Ito namang nasa left side ng screen, yung brighter one, that's called Betelgeuse. So, Betelgeuse is actually a red supergiant star. Alam nyo ba yung red supergiant siya? Sobrang laki niya, no? So siguro kasi sa kanya ang more than 1,000 suns. And how far is Betelgeuse from Earth? Light travels approximately 600 years from Betelgeuse to Earth. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Simple lang. Yung liwanag na nakikita natin ngayon dyan, yan sa Betelgeuse na yan, ay umalis sa star. No? That was its light approximately 600 years ago. And you know, possibly, this star is actually dead by now. Posibleng yan ay nag-supernova na. No? At ang nakikita nating liwanag niya, ay liwanag niya yun nga, 600 years ago. So, within that time span, possibly, siya ay nag-explode na in the form of a supernova. Pero hindi pa natin nakikita sa Earth. No? That's just a possibility. No? There is a huge possibility that within our lifetime, no? Or in the next lifetime, yung next generation, makita pa nila yung supernova ng Betelgeuse na yan. No? So what will happen if this star will go supernova? Imagine, on a night like this, it will outshine the full moon. Ay, grabe naman yun. Yes. It will even be brighter than a full moon. And it will be visible during the day. No? Ganon po kaliwanag ang isang supernova. Ayan. So, this is a this is just a possibility. Ano, posibleng patay na siya, wala na yung star na yan. Liwanag na lang yung nakikita natin, no? And hopefully, no, within our lifetime, makita natin yung supernova niya. Okay? So, ayun lang, no? Yun lang na i-share ko. Kasi yun lang yung alam ko. Random lang kasi to. Hindi ko to inaral. No? Random lang. Habang nandito ako sa veranda ng bahay namin. So, ayan. Say hi and goodbye to Jupiter. Because I'm signing off na. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.